Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making lemon meringue pie from scratch. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new uploads. Now let's get started. So I'll get started by placing my pie crust in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I remove it and allow it to cool, and I'll get started on making the filling. So to make the filling, I'm going to combine sugar, cornstarch, salt, and water in a medium saucepan. And I'm going to cook this on medium high until it thickens. So once my mixture has thickened, I'll remove about half of this mixture from my pot. And then I'm just going to gradually add it in with a couple tablespoons of sugar to temper. So I'm just going to make sure, y'all, we are making a custard and not scrambled eggs by gradually adding in that cornstarch mixture to the eggs to temper it. And then as I continue to whisk vigorously here, I'm just going to add that mixture back in with the rest of that cornstarch mixture. And I'm just going to continue to whisk this well until I've added all of that back in and until it's nice and thick. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add in lemon zest. And then I'm going to also add in my lemon juice and stir in a little bit of butter here before I move on to make my meringue, because you can't make lemon meringue pie without the meringue. So to make the meringue, I'm going to start off by adding in my egg whites into a very clean bowl. And I'm going to make sure I whisk this well into soft peaks form before I do anything else. That's my key to making my meringue. And then I gradually add in my sugar. So I'll gradually add in all my sugar and also a little bit of cream of tartar until my meringue is very stiff and glossy. Now I'm just going to take my hot lemon pie filling and I'm going to add that to my cooled pie crust. And that's going to be another key when making lemon meringue pie. You want to make sure that your filling is really hot. So reheat it if you need to, if necessary, before you add your meringue, because this is going to help that meringue cook from the bottom up. That way you won't have a weepy meringue. Now I'm just going to pile my meringue on top of my lemon pie, making sure I spread it all the way to the edge to cover the pie completely. Now I'm just going to toast my meringue using a kitchen torch, but you can also place this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it's brown to your liking. Just don't forget to allow this to cool down completely before you place it in the refrigerator to cool before serving. Well, that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.